Hello and welcome to my channel. So from today onwards I will be uploading a playlist on Excel. So Excel is such a tool that is required for our day-to-day life business purposes, from small to medium to large size businesses. So in this tool, what are the topics that I will be covering, that I will be telling in this video. Now moving on to this slide, we can see that there are certain topics, and the most important topics I will be covering, and this playlist will be from basics to advanced level. So the basics part is up to the project 1, and the advanced part is this below 3 topics mostly. Okay, so now in the basics I will be covering basics Excel term and basics Excel application. Then the most important topic, relative and absolute cell referencing and name ranges with its applications. And then another most important topic, that is data validation and automation using data validation. Then another topic, that is knowing the functionality of insert, hide, find, replace, filter, sort. And to make this works easy, we will be knowing how to use tables to make the sort and filtering easy. Now next is another important topic, that is text functions. Post that we will be learning date functions, and then we will be learning math functions. Then the most important and most useful in all businesses, this function, that is VLOOKUP. This is the majorly used function of Excel, so we will be learning that. And another substitution of this function is index and match, that is also very important. Then we will move on to if functions. Then also we will learn data visualization, that is different types of charts. This will take multiple videos to explain to you all. Then we will learn pivot table and pivot charts. This is also another most hot topics in basics Excel that everyone must know. Then we will move on to the first project and create a Excel dashboard that is automated using the slicers. Now we will move to the advanced topics, that is into Power Query and how to deal with Power Query. Then I will move to query editor and how to transform data in query editor, that is another advanced topic. And then I will move to Power Pivot, that is also another very hot and important topic in advanced Excel portion. Then at last we will do another project, and we will finalize in the later stage what type of project that we will cover in this topic. So thanks for watching this video, and continue watching this playlist. So we will be uploading videos continuously, and thanks.